Boolean algebra. Now here bool means, what is the meaning of bool? Bool means having two possible values. In computers, we only work with two values. In computer, only two values are possible. The values are 1 and 0. 0 means false and 1 means true. Now starting with the first topic of Boolean algebra, the first topic is logical gates. The first logical gate we will study is AND. Now here the symbol used for AND is a dot. We call it as dot operator. The meaning is product. And the logical gate used for AND is this sign. And it works with at least two or more inputs. Now coming to the diagrams, how you will draw the diagrams of AND gate. It can be of 2 variables, it can be of 3 variables, it can be of 4 variables, starting with 2 variable. Now for drawing a diagram of 2 variable, we will take the symbol. What symbol was used? This was the symbol used. Now here 2 variables, the first variable, the second variable. Let the name, any name you can give. I am naming it as A and B. So A and B are given as 2 inputs to this gate. So what will be the output? The output will be A. And what was the symbol used for AND? The symbol used for AND was dot. So A dot B. This is the output. Same way, if you want to draw the diagram of 3 variable, the same gate you will use. Same gate. Now here 3 different inputs. The first input, let it be A, B, C. So what will be the output? The output will be A dot B dot C. Product, we call it as product. Okay, so product of 3 variables. Same way you will draw the diagram of 4 variables. What will be the diagram for 4 variable? This is the diagram. How many inputs I have given? 4. A, B, C, D. And what will be the output? A dot B dot C dot D. So here one important thing you have to keep in mind. The dot is the default operator. In Boolean algebra, dot is always treated as the default operator. That means can be skipped while writing. So same, this output can also be written as A, B, C, D. I have not written dot here. So can be skipped. Now moving to the next part. The next part of AND operator is drawing of truth table. Now what is the meaning of truth table? Truth table means all possible combination of values. So if we draw a truth table of 2 variables, what is the formula? How you will calculate how many possible values are there? So how you will write? You will write it like this. 2 variable, how many possible values? 2 to the raised power 2. Why 2 to the raised power 2? How many variables we are using? 2 variables. So which is equal to 4. Clear? So how many rows you will draw? You will draw total 4 rows. First row will be the heading and rest all 4 rows. So I am labeling it like this. I have labeled it as A. First row, the heading is given A, the first input B, the second input, and in the third column I have written A dot B, means the output. Which is the output? Output of AND gate. So how to draw the possible combination? The first row we will be writing here 0, 0, the second row we will be writing here 0, 1, the third row we will be writing here 1, 0, the next row we will be writing here 1, 1. Clear? Now moving to the output. AND gate, only one thing you have to keep in mind. The output of AND gate is 1 if both the inputs or all the inputs are 1. So here which row? All the inputs are 1, the last row. So in this last row only the output will be 1 and rest all the output will be 0. So only one thing you have to keep in mind. AND gate will result to 1. The output will result to 1 only if all the inputs are 1. Only this line you have to keep in mind. Clear? Now moving to 3 variable. Now how to draw 3 variable? 2 to the raised power 3. How many total variables are there? 3. So 2 to the raised power 3, which is equal to 8. 8 possible combination. It always starts with 0. So how many possible combination? 8. So it will start from 0 to 7. So how you will be writing? The first row you will be writing here the headings. Let it be the variable names A, B, C. And the last column the product. A dot B dot C. The output of which operator? The AND operator. Now drawing the combination 0, 0, 0 in the first one, then 0, 0, 1 in the second one. Now it is very tedious to remember what are the possible combinations. Do we need to repeat? By mistake the combination is repeated, it is wrong. So there is a very good formula or shortcut how to keep in mind all the combination. I am telling you that formula. Now see how powers of 2 are written. It is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. Like this it will go on. From left hand side to right hand side, from right hand side to left hand side, you will be writing all the powers. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. Now tell me how many variables we are drawing. We are drawing the KMF for 3 variable. So you will pick up only 3. First 3. These 3. Now tell me how you will frame 5 here. If I add 4 with 1, it becomes 5. So how many column? This column and this column is added. So whichever column you will add, place 1 there. And which column is not added, place 0. So this is the output of 5. Now how you will frame 6? You will add 4 with 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. So which columns are added? The 4th column, this one, this column, plus this column is added. This is not added, so we'll be writing here 0. So what is 6? 1, 1, 0. Okay. Same way, how you will frame 7? 4 plus 2 plus 1. All the 3 columns. So all the 3 columns added. So 1, 1, 1. Like this, how you will frame 3 here? 2 plus 1. 4 is not added. 0. This column is added. This column is added. So 3. Clear to all of you? Now while drawing the truth table, roughly on this side, write all the possible values. Total 8 combinations starting from 0 to 7. Now you know what is the number, how to write 2 here. So this first column we write indicates 1, second column indicates 2, third column indicates 4. 1, 2, 4. So here how you will write 2? Only this column added. So only this column added means you will be writing here 1. Rest 2 zeros. So how 3 is framed? 1, 2 plus 1, 3. How 4 is framed? Only 1 added. How 5 is framed? 4 plus 1. Writing here 0. How 6 is framed? 4 plus 2. 6. This is not added. How 7 is framed? This is clear. Now for drawing the output of AND, see, all the input should be 1. Then only the output is 1. So here again the last row, only the last row is the row in which all the inputs are 1. So the output here will be 1. Rest all zeros. 3 variable truth table clear? Now moving to 4 variable truth table. Now in 4 variable again how to calculate how many total rows? 2 to the raised power 4 is equal to 16. Starting with 0 and ending with 15. 0 to 15 total possible values. Again how many variables I have used here in this table? A, B, C, D, total 4. So what will be the output? Output will be A dot B dot C dot D, AND operator, the product. On the left hand side again you will be writing all the possible combinations 0 to 15. Now the drawing of this, so that any value should not be repeated. The same way you will calculate. Again the powers of 2 I have taken. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 like this. But now, how many variables we are drawing? We are drawing only 4 variables. So we will pick only first 4 powers. 1, 2, 4, 8. Now how to draw 9? 8 plus 1. This column is added with the last column. So 1, the columns added. We place 1 and rest all 0. So this is 9. What is 10? 8 plus 2. So 1 here, 1 here. This is not added. This is not added. Clear? If I want to calculate 40, so 8 plus 4. So 8, this column I have added to calculate 14, plus 4 plus 2. This I have not added. Clear? 8 plus 4 plus 2. Clear to how to write? Now see, I have filled all the table in the same way. The first column 1, 2 to the raised power 0. The second column 2 to the raised power 1, 2 to the raised power 2, 2 to the raised power 3. 1, 2, 4, 8. And you have written all the rough values. Calculate and fill it. Now again product A dot B dot C dot D. In all the values, only the last row 15 has all the inputs 1. So only 15 will be, the output will be 1. Rest all zeros. Clear?